You might remember the Honda Prelude as a sporty coupe from decades ago. We certainly do, and we look back on it fondly. Excitingly, the Prelude now appears poised to make its return to Honda's lineup, as indicated by a concept car that looks remarkably ready for production. Once again, it's a two-door coupe, but this time it will likely be offered only as a hybrid. Its styling is sleek, and we think it looks exactly as you'd imagine a 21st century Prelude to be. Powertrain and mechanical details are slim, but we expect it to share components with the Civic and Accord models, and Honda promises that it will offer a fun driving experience. The price of the 2026 Honda Prelude is expected to start around $31,000 and go up to $38,000 depending on the trim and options. All that Honda has divulged so far is that the Prelude concept car has a hybrid powertrain. We suspect this means it will be powered by a version of the hybrid system found in Honda models including the CR-V, Accord, and upcoming 2025 Civic Hybrid. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here.